Find out if a Python script is running in idle or terminal/command prompt. Is there a way to find out if the Python script is running in the idle interpreter or the terminal? Works cross-platform if possible, or if needed a different way for each platform. Work with Python 2 and Python 3 if possible, or if needed a different way for each version. The only way I could think of is checking the processes running for idle, but I don't know how to do that right. If idle is open for another script and my script is running in the terminal, a process check would return true even if my script is not running in the idle. My script needs to run differently depending on if it is running in idle or terminal.
This seems to work on Python 3 Linux. It will return true if the script is run from idle, false otherwise. Please test for other combination of Python OS.
From this URL. Is true if your script can write to a true terminal, at least since Python 2.7.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.